Today, we're making macaroni cheese from Nigella Express by Nigella Lawson. We were both intrigued by this recipe because rather than making a bechamel, it uses a sort of custard, which isn't typical for most macaroni and cheese dishes, so we knew we had to try it. For this recipe, start by cooking your pasta of choice according to the package directions. We personally chose to use penne, but you can use whatever pasta shape you like best. While the pasta is cooking, add the eggs, cheese, evaporated milk, and nutmeg to a food processor. You can also mix all of the ingredients in a bowl by hand if you don't have a food processor. Pulse until the mixture is well combined. Once the pasta is done cooking, add to the cheese sauce and pour into a wide, shallow dish. The recipe states to bake for 10 to 15 minutes, but we actually recommend baking for 8 to 10 minutes until the egg just starts to set, then gently stir and finish by broiling until golden brown. This is an excellent quick and easy dinner or side dish for the upcoming holidays. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.